and gentlemen, boys and girls of every age, welcome to Science Not Fiction. In our first episode, we're gonna explore what are the magnets and we're gonna make a unicorn magnetic mucus. So, let's go! All our lives, we have used these curious subjects, but have you ever asked before, how do they function? And no, it isn't something related with magic or something like that. Like Meme Yoda says, logical explanation that must be. So, why do they behave like that? Well, simply, it's just the property. Natural magnets are from a rock named magnetic.
Hey! Did you know that the magnetism was discovered at place on Turkey, near Magnesia, populated by the magnetos? Production! The crazy people, not X-Men! Production! What's this?
There are natural and artificial magnets.
Both have around them a magnetic field that can attract certain metals without touching them, even if there is something between them.
To make an element become a magnet,
all of them atoms need to be on the same page, all they watching to this interaction, and all their conditions to join the forces and get a strong magnetic field to attract other metals.
All magnets have two poles, north and south.
Opposite poles attract and equal poles repel each other. If you cut a magnet at the middle, it is still having both poles, but now you have two magnets.
And now let's start with the exercise part. We're gonna do 3 experiments.
Hey! Remember, if you're underage, tell an adult to help you do this experiment. I am watching you.
For the first experiment, we're gonna use boxes with the same size, a rigid support, 1 recycled sheet, a strong magnet, and iron filings.
And now we're gonna set the 2 boxes behind the rigid support, just like this. Then we're gonna put the sheet and we're gonna spread some iron filings.
Warning! Don't put directly the magnets with the iron filings because it'd be very difficult to clean it. Warning!
And now we're gonna put the magnet behind the support. Now let's see what happens.
If you can see, the iron filings move when we pass the magnet. It happened because of the magnetic waves which are passing near to them.
Before we say that,
when all atoms work together, they get a strong magnetic field.
so when we put only 1 magnet, it doesn't have many power. But when we put all together, we have a highest reaction.
For this experiment, we're going to use a Ziploc bag, some water, a blender, cereal with at least 11 mg in iron content, and a strong magnet. We put the several amounts of cereal in the blender. Then we add some water. Now we pour the mixture into the Ziploc bag.
Well, getting this texture, we're gonna use this little but power magnet.
If you can see, the iron is being attracted by the magnet because it is a metal.
But don't worry, this mixture of iron is very healthy. And now we're gonna do the unicorn magnetic mucus.
For this experiment, we're gonna use borax, silicon, a several amount of iron filings, a container to make the mixture, and adamant.
Now, first of all, we're gonna put the silicon into the container. Gradually, we're gonna add some borax. I believe that we can get it, but we don't. So, internet fail. Miren, Natalia, let me already know what I do, and now my hands are with silicon and borax. So let's check what was my intentions to do.
If we move a little closer to the magnet, the mucus will be attracted because of the iron filings spread in all the mixture.
All of these experiments, apart of being very funny, we proved the magnetic waves. And remember, not all the magnets have the same power, so be careful. So thank you for your attention and see you later. Goodbye.